Welcome home. This stunning two-story Showstopper features large eat-in kitchen with walkout to an enclosed backyard. Hardwood flooring throughout the main floor. Grand dining area, perfect for large family dinners. Family room features tons of natural light plus cozy gas fireplace showcasing. 4 very large bedrooms, with ensuite attached to all. Indoor access to garage, gas barbecue, video surveillance system. Located in the heart of Stouffville. Stainless steel fridge, stainless steel gas stove, stainless steel built-in dishwasher, washer, dryer. All window coverings, garage door opener and remote. Close to Stouffville GO station, Shoppers Drug Mart, community center, library, schools and more.